Alright guys, today we're going to take a quick tour of the Norwegian Epic on a shore day. So we're going to go check it out. Alright, so here we are up on the top deck. This is the Haven Private Lounge Access, and we are looking at the Grand Cayman Islands. So if you take a look out over my shoulder, all you see is beautiful clear water. We're going to move over to a whole other area of the ship. You one level up. Again, private access.
Doors closing. Deck 16. Doors opening.
Alright guys, so this is a private lounge access. So there's a bar that actually anybody can get drinks at from the Haven Suites again. And behind me you'll see some lounge chairs. As we walk, you're going to see some more lounge chairs. We've got a restaurant coming up as well, and a couple other cool things. And this is all on deck 16 of the Epic, Norwegian Epic. So we're coming up into the Concierge Lounge, and this also includes private Courtyard access for Haven guests on the Norwegian Epic. Guys, one of the stars of the ship, David. David has been helping out immensely on this trip. This guy can get you access to any restaurant that you want to go to.
Hi, how are you?
David.
Have a great day, sir. Then go to the other side.
And this we're about to go to is an outdoor eating cafe. It's actually part of the main restaurant for Epic. Haven guests only. It's their private restaurant, but the outdoor area is very nice because it's got a limited menu. However, you can kind of get that outdoor feel, but still with a roof over your head and lots of windows.
How you doing?
Say we're doing well, thank you. guys, this can be a little bit easy to miss. This is the gym. Haven Gym though. There's a regular gym. It's actually super nice. The regular gym on the Norwegian Epic is really cool. So go check that out. However, if you want a nice, quiet workout, not a lot of people around, this is the place to check out. So what we have here is a private deck as well for the Haven guests. It overlooks the central courtyard. So you can see behind me and down below, the central courtyard is actually that place that we just went through. Really nice private lounge chairs as well as plush covers. Really quiet, especially on a day like today where everybody's out at shore and doing excursions. If you really want quiet when anybody else is already on the ship and we're out to sea, definitely check this place out. It's only a couple of chairs. We are on deck 7 aft. As you can see, this place is pretty empty. I'm gonna do a quick spin. Literally nothing there. So Cagney's is right behind me. That's a steakhouse, fairly good for your restaurant, and get a good dinner and a good steak from there, surf and turf as well as other food. But let's take a look at the rest of this deck and we'll see how it goes. Guys, right behind me is O'Sheenan's. If you read any of the reviews about the Norwegian Epic, you will find out that this restaurant is open 24 hours. So if you need a late night place to dine, that is going to be the place. So check out O'Sheenan's. Not bad food. Good drinks too. Alright guys, so this is Taste. It's one of the main dining room areas here. Beautiful chandelier and piano, and you'll see that right behind me as we walk in. Come on, let's take a look. Okay guys, this is Le Bistro. We're gonna be quiet. It's completely empty. We're not open yet, but come check this out. A great place to eat while you're here, okay? Alright guys, we are going up to 14. We're going to take a quick look at the regular fitness center. You'll see it's actually very, very nice, and it's up to you where you want to work out, but there's some cool fitness classes, lots of stuff you can do. There's cycling, yoga. Check it out. Alright guys, decided I had to get into the gym, get a quick workout in, and check out where we're doing it from. Okay guys, we are about to walk up to the 15th floor and go into the Garden Cafe. This area is an area that you can actually get all of your food, okay? I told you guys I was going to take you in a Garden Cafe, and I am, but we're going to do just a quick run through because it is still packed. So even though there's a shore excursion today, even though people are out and about, this place is jam-packed. So very quick walkthrough, and we're going to do it from a different angle. Alright guys, well that is it. So basically the ship is busy in some areas, less busy in other areas. We are getting back up to the floor with Haven, and so that's going to conclude our tour. So I hope you enjoyed your Norwegian Cruise Line epic ship tour for a shore day. Thanks so much. We'll see you soon.